Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. It is day 2 and it's really early, so that's why I'm whispering. But it is gorgeous out here. I'll show you. And we're almost on our way to go have our breakfast. We're trying to hit the national park, the Zion National Park, before 7:30. So let's go. There's a little crisp in the air, but it's supposed to be about 100 degrees, so it's gonna warm up. And where we go hiking, it's right in a river and it's freezing, so we're gonna be cooling down while it's heating up outside. So my oldest son Isaiah has joined us. He actually drove in the middle of the night just to come up and be ready for us to go hiking. Are we ready to hit the Narrows?
Oh, I'm ready, girl.
We're just a little freezing.
Get it, girl.
Oh, what? Woo woo. We're just waiting for breakfast because we're ahead of the schedule. What?
Got a lot of food to eat.
Just enjoying some breakfast. The hotel at the La Quinta, they have a wonderful spread. Look at these waffles. Jonah, show me your waffle. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Hurry up because we gotta go. I'm just heading back into the breakfast area because I forgot something in the room. Listen to the birds. So wonderful here. So we're pulling up into the Zion National Park. We have to pay to get in, but that pay, I think it's like $25 and it works for a whole week. So we could come back every day if we wanted to for the next week. But anyways, look at, I'm gonna wiggle the Look at that. Oh, you know what? We had that free pass on the refrigerator.
Oh, sucky.
This is the line to wait for the shuttle. All the way up there and then all the way back there. But if we're gonna have to wait, as long as at least it's not like 100 degrees right now, the cool breeze is making it so nice, so bearable. Here we go, about to get onto the trams. It's like Disneyland here. Look at all these people. Let's go. We just got off the tram and we're heading our way to the Narrows. We aren't the only ones doing it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Amazing. There is a little walkway before we head out to the river, the Narrows. But look at how pretty it is. Wow. Ezzy, what do you think? How many squirrels have we seen already? One, and we just started. Squirrels are like all over the place here. Oh, and they're fat too. They like to eat chips. We can't eat them, or can't feed them though. So here's another squirrel.
It's number 4.
Number 4. Let's see that.
Here.
He's not even afraid of us.
Squirrel.
He's like, hey, what's up? Nah. All right, let's go. Okay, this is the first time I've ever seen a deer on this little river rock, and he's just eating some. That is amazing.
That's number 2.
Oh, beautiful. I think this one likes to be on YouTube.
Yeah, look at that.
He wants to be YouTube famous.
Get right here by the fence so I can get you.
Oh, it's so cute.
He's eating the heart.
That is adorable. I can't believe it. I've never really seen deer on this little stretch before.
Oh, the deer.
Aww. All right, so we're going to be heading into the river. We're so excited. A little out of breath already. But it's so fun. So let me show you. As you can see that there are people already starting. So you just walk down here. And then you just put yourself in that freezing water and you just start going up the river. It's called the Narrows and it's at Zion and that's where we are. Water, Ezzy. How's it going now, Ez? What did you say it was? He was saying it was the worst day of his life. We just finished hiking the Narrows. Little tired. And Ezra, woo, that was tough for him. Here we go. Going back to the bus. That's just our family pretty much on this bus. Woo, woo. Ezzy, what do you think? How'd you like the hike?
Bad.
It's bad. Maybe we can do it again next year.
No!
What do you think about that? I mean, he may need some more convincing to come back in future years. On our way, again, the kids are already there, but they love the pool, so it's pool 2.0. But Paul's sleeping in the room because the Narrows did him in. And I have water to take to the pool for the kids. So, hopefully I won't turn into a lobster. I got that. What a fun way, right, to cool down. Yeah, I can't do that. It's like 100 degrees outside. And there they are. We have the pool to ourselves. We're all cleaned up and we're headed to dinner. I have like freshly showered hair and I have like hardly any makeup on. But I'm on vacation, right? Maybe I should go put some more on, huh? Hey, Jonas. So we're gonna be going to the same place we went last night for dinner. It was so good that we made a reservation, right? Yeah. So we're gonna head over there in a little while, and we have to wake up the little boys. Actually, little Ezra, he fell asleep. So we're just trying to wake him up, and we're gonna go get the Phillips, and we're gonna go get some dinner. But before I do that, I wanted to thank everybody, all my new subs, and all of the people who've stuck around. I'm at 3,000 new subs. 3,000 subs. I can't even believe it. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I want to celebrate all of these milestones with everybody. So, woohoo! I'm so excited. So let's go to dinner. Here we go. We're going back to the place we went to yesterday. That would be Porter's Barbecue or Smokehouse Grill. Yum. Ezra's a little partied out. Are you gonna do the same thing? You're doing the same thing from yesterday? Yes. Same. And so is Ezra. I just got a yummy cheeseburger today. So this is good. And everybody else got the same, so I don't have to show you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
This is so good. I'm so glad we found this place because this is probably one of the best burgers I've ever had. It's so good, and onion rings, can't go wrong there. Okay, so we just had our dinner, and now we're having ice cream at this place. Look, it's just like a little deli place that has ice cream, and I have what did I get? Moose Tracks. So it's got like peanut butter cups in it, and Paul.
Cremo.
Orange Cremo. So
Hashtag
that's like
so good.
It's got vanilla and like orange sherbet. What do you guys say? Sherbet?
I say both depending on
Who we're talking to?
where I'm at, yeah.
And then Isaiah, you got the same thing, right?
Yeah, plus raspberry sorbet.
Ooh, raspberry sorbet. Fancy. We just came back from dinner. We are so full. We got ice cream too, and you just saw that. But the kids, they just want to play, of course. And it is such a nice evening that we're just going to be sitting here in front of our hotel rooms and watching the kids play. Let me show you.
It's seriously so great.
I know, look at this grass. It's beautiful. They're just down there playing. We could see them. Wait, you're not supposed to play like that. No, I'm just kidding. Don't get your hands off your brother's neck. No, I'm just kidding.
What's going on over there?
Just kidding. They're just having nice, fun times. Good old summer day playing.